Hello there, fifth graders. It's Miss Hess here. Hope you guys are doing well out there. So, what's the topic on everybody's mind these days? Yeah, you guessed it. Coronavirus, right? So, I was so excited when I talked with your fifth grade teachers and I learned about you guys doing this social distancing hope project. It's fantastic. So, before we start looking at ways we can help, it's always good to gain a really solid understanding of exactly what the coronavirus is. So, to help us with that, I would like to share with you a new book. I just downloaded it yesterday. It's a new electronic book. There is only one copy of it available for checkout, so that's why I would like to share it with you together so that everybody gets a chance to see it. And it's quite a long one, but I think it's really important that we go through all of it. And I only have a 15-minute time limit on my videos here. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop this book in two parts, okay? And the first part is more all the background about what the coronavirus is, and then the second half is more about the hope part, I think, and maybe it will help ignite some ideas for your project, okay? So as you can see, the title of this is Coronavirus, a Book for Children, and it is written by Elizabeth Jenner, Kate Wilson, and Nia Roberts, and illustrated by Axel Scheffler. And they also have a consultant down there, a professor from the Infectious Disease Modeling London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. That's pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. There's a new word you might have heard. You might hear people talking about it, or you might hear it on the news. This word is a reason why you're not going to school. It is a reason why you can't go outside very often or visit your friends. It might be the reason why the grown-up or grown-ups who look after you are at home. The word is coronavirus. And you will see that there are a lot of speech bubbles, but of course, I'm not going to read those to you. Okay? I'll have you read those as we go through it. What is the coronavirus? The coronavirus is a kind of virus. Viruses are tiny germs that are so small that you can't see them. They are so light that they can float through the air in tiny droplets of water, and they can sit on your skin without you feeling them. If some of these germs get inside you, they can use your body to make more germs, and they can make you sick. There are lots of different sorts of coronaviruses, and some of them infect people. If you've been infected with one of these coronaviruses, all you probably had was a runny nose or cough. But when this completely new coronavirus gets inside a human body, it causes an illness called COVID-19. When people talk about catching the coronavirus, they are talking about this illness. How do you catch the coronavirus? Because this coronavirus is new, scientists don't know everything about it yet. But they think there are two main ways that people catch it. Coronavirus germs live in people's throats and mouths. When someone who has the coronavirus coughs or sneezes or breathes out, the germs come out of their mouths in tiny droplets of water. Though you can't see the germs, you can sometimes see these tiny drops. In cold weather, they make a cloud of steam. So if someone else accidentally breathes in the air with the coronavirus germs in it, they would probably get the illness. It's easy to get the coronavirus germs from inside your body on your hands when you touch your nose or your mouth. Yeah, the face is off limits, right? If the person with the coronavirus germs on their hand uses a door, the invisible germs can live on the handle for hours. Actually, we're not really sure how long. They think even longer, possibly, like up to days, right? When someone else opens the door, they get the germs on their hands too. And if they touch their nose or mouth, the germs can get into their body. So you can also catch the coronavirus by touching things that someone with the virus has already touched. What happens if you catch the coronavirus? Some people, including children, don't feel sick at all when they get the coronavirus. But they still have coronavirus germs in their body that they could give to someone else by mistake. When you get the coronavirus, lots of people have a cough and a fever. Some people have a headache or aches all over their body. People are usually sick for a few days. But bodies are amazing things. When a new germ, like the coronavirus, gets into someone's body, their body knows that the germ shouldn't be there and starts killing it. The body has weapons against viruses called antibodies. Tiny cells in your blood make antibodies to fight each different virus invader. The antibodies catch the viruses. Then the blood cells swallow them up and destroy them, and then the person gets better. Each of us has more than 10 billion different kinds of antibodies inside us. That means there are more different antibodies inside of you right now than there are people in the world. So, why are people worried about the coronavirus? Most people have a body that is healthy enough to fight the coronavirus. But there are some people who find it harder because their bodies aren't as strong. They might be people who are more than 65 years old or already have other illnesses like cancer that might make their bodies weaker. They need more help to fight the coronavirus. This means they have to go to a hospital, and they might need to use a special machine called a ventilator to help them breathe. However, sometimes this might not be enough to help them get better, and if that happens, then sadly they might die. That's why these people really need to stay at home away from anywhere they might catch the coronavirus. They won't be able to have visitors. This might mean you won't be able to go and visit some of your family for a while to help keep them safe. Is there a cure for the coronavirus? Most people get better from the coronavirus by themselves. But doctors and scientists want to help everyone do that quickly and safely. Doctors don't have a cure for the coronavirus yet because it is a new illness. Some medicines that doctors already know about might help, so they are trying them out on people who are sick. Scientists are also working on completely new medicines for the coronavirus. Another thing that scientists are working on is a vaccine. And I saw in the news yesterday that Oxford University has come out with a version of a vaccine that they think is going to be very successful. So we got some news of hope yesterday. That's cool. A vaccine is a special medicine that is usually injected into your body while you are healthy. Inside the medicine are weak or dead virus germs. The antibodies in your blood can practice killing these germs so that if you catch the virus, they can start fighting the live virus germs faster. You probably already had some vaccines when you were a baby, so that means you won't get some illnesses. It takes many months to make a new medicine. Before you can give it to lots of people, you have to make sure it is safe for everyone. So you have to try it out carefully on a few people at a time. Then when you know it works and is safe, you have to make enough for everyone who needs it. Okay, so this is the point where we're going to stop for this video because I can't fit it all on one. But please, don't forget my second half of this book. The second half really can help give you some ideas for how to be of help with your project. Maybe it'll start sparking some things, okay? So please stay tuned for a minute, and I'll be right back.